Welcome to the Apotem Learning Center. So I am Mr. Kaleha, your specialist for this session on educational technology servicing, AI tools for pedagogy. In this course, we have 5 modules. The first one is the AI infrastructure, understanding the engine of modern pedagogy. Second is the precision prompting, language of AI orchestration. Third is the streamlining administrative workflows, the efficiency engine. Fourth is the instructional design and personalization, the mass personalization engine. And lastly is the ethical AI integration and academic integrity, teachers as ethical auditor. So here is the table of contents of this course. It will start from the competency until the modules and to the teacher's AI prompt cheat sheet. And you also have how to troubleshoot and diagnose some AI concerns. And of course, lastly is the AI educator's resource map. So here is the competency-based training. So let me first overview what you're going to be anticipating on this course. So the course title is about educational technology servicing AI tools for pedagogy. The participants, of course, all of the classroom teachers, this will intended for 80 hours. So let me read the following. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence has fundamentally reshaped the educational landscape, requiring educators to move beyond basic digital literacy towards specialized educational technology servicing. This competence based program is designed to transform teachers into intentional AI or orchestrators who can move past simple tool usage to master the selection, calibration, and auditing of AI platforms by framing AI as pedagogical augmentation rather than a shortcut. The training empowers educators to enhance instructional design, assessment, and learner support while maintaining the essential elements of teaching. Also, it is grounded in the Philippine Professional Standard for Teachers, or our PPST. The curriculum is structured to support career stage progression from beginning, CS1 to distinguished CS4 teachers. Foundational module introduce early career educators to the mechanics and limitations of AI, emphasizing professional judgment and responsible use as participants advance. They develop sophisticated competencies in precision prompting, administrative efficiency, and ethical auditing. This allows experienced educators to transition into leadership roles, guiding the governance and integration of AI within their school and communities. Also, a central theme of this training is the shift from product-based evaluation to process-oriented pedagogy. As AI automates traditional academic output, teachers are challenged to redesign learning experiences that prioritize critical thinking and metacognition. Through hands-on practice, participants learn to build AI resilient environments that preserve academic integrity while leveraging the efficiency of modern tools. This transition requires or ensures that the focus remains on the learner's journey and the development of cognitive thinking skills. Ethical responsibility serves as the program's anchor, equipping teachers to function as human in the loop professionals. Educators are trained to detect algorithmic bias, mitigate misinformation, and protect learner data privacy. Ultimately, this training prepares teachers to lead in technological enriched environments with confidence and discernment, ensuring that AI integration strengthens community trust and upholds the moral dimension of the teaching profession. So here is the module to indicator alignment matrix. You can see there the PPST domain that will be included in this training, the PPST indicators. Of course, the career stages that will be addressed. And lastly, the developmental alignment. For module 1, it has domain 1 and 6, specifically 1.2, 1.4.2, and 6.12. In addition, for module 2, these are the PPST and of course its indicators. And for the module 3, you will be seeing here in domain 6 and 6.2, 6.1.2, and of course, the career stages that will be addressed. And again, the developmental alignment. Okay, you will see everything of this in the module that we will be providing in your course, module 4 until the module 5. So here's the learning competency or the competency-based teacher training on educational technology servicing AI tools for pedagogy. We have 12 competency codes here, and what are the competency description? You may read it one by one so that you can implement this in your classes. And of course, the last six of the competency codes and the competency descriptions. So here is the overview of the educational technology training for AI tools and pedagogy. So you may now start your module one once you are ready. So thank you very much.